Renaissance period from 14th to 17th. Renaissance literature, 14th to 17th period. So, before we'll give you about some topic is we'll ask questions. What do you know about the Renaissance period? Can anyone? Rebirth. Yes, someone rebirth. Yes, Renaissance period is a rebirth, and it's further influence on our art, culture, and society. And this includes guiding students in understanding the literature from this time and knowing the influential authors. So, and si Ma'am Shi makakat siya brief discussion.
So, pwede man ipaminawan ninyo ako ang kanyang report kay lagi ang mga famous na authors, ang mga authors na ito. So, inyong i-take down notes kay may possibility nga ang ipa-search ninyo kung sa mga works niya. So, the Renaissance was a time in Europe when people become really interested in art, literature, and learning again. So, it started in Italy in the 1300s, so that is 14th century. So, with famous writers like Dante, Petrarch, and Machiavelli. Dante Alighieri. As time went on, the Renaissance spread to other parts of Europe, in England and Scotland. This period lasted from the late 1400s to the early 1600s. So during these times, writers like William Shakespeare, Edmund Spenser, and Sir Philip Sidney created famous works. To take note, created famous works sila si William Shakespeare, sila si Edmund Spenser, and Sir Philip Sidney. Si kanang Edmund Spenser. So, in Northern Europe, scholars like Erasmus wrote important books. All these writers and their works are considered part of the Renaissance because they were influenced by the new ideas of that time. So, next slide.
Okay, next is the literature of Renaissance, written with literature of the Renaissance. So, it was written generally within the general movement during the Renaissance that arose during 13th century, and it continued until 16th century. So, literature that time was diffused into the Western world. Literature Renaissance na diffused siya sa Western world na literature called. So, it is characterized by the adaptation of the humanist philosophy. So, iba mo isa ni humanist philosophy. Iba mo sa isa ni humanist philosophy.
Wala.
Okay, wala. So, diba, ang isa sa humanistic psychology kay si Abraham Maslow. Yeah, diba? Humanistic psychology to yaha. Katong mga hierarchy of needs. So, ang sa humanist philosophy is si kuhan siya Petrarch, basta P-E-T-R-A-R-C-H. Ano yung kabasa?
Petrarch. Yes,
Petrarch. Petrarch ang pagbasa. So, he is considered also the father of Renaissance. And I generally, kay siya dyan ang bikuhan the father of Renaissance, and siya po ang kanang father of humanism. So, regard. And humanist philosophy is about it advocates the human rights, free speech, progressive policies, and democracies. And the literature of Renaissance is about it is recovering also the classical Renaissance and benefited from the spread of printing on the latter part of the 16th century. So one of the also sa writers of the Renaissance na si El Greco. So Roman inspiration was shown both in the themes of the writing and in the literary forms they used. So the world was considered from anthropocentric perspective. So anthropocentric perspective is it is an approach of the ethics that focus about siya sa mga human beings ba, and the rights as mga interest sa mga humans ba. Then, under sa literature Renaissance, kay about the Platonic ideas were revived and put to the service of Christianity. The search for pleasures of the senses and critical and rational spirit completed the ideological panorama of the period. So, ang panorama period was also, it provides about the global visibility and control over multiple, about the generation. So, tapos, the new literary genres such as the essay and new metrical forms such as the sonnet and Spenserian stanza made their appearances. So, kabaw naman mo sa ang sonnet, no? 81, kasi kabaw sa sonnet. About sonnet poem.
William Shakespeare na.
Oh, Shakespeare. So, nasa tigitawag ka Spenserian stanza made their appearances. So, Spenserian stanza kay it was created by Edmund Spenser. So it was six. Spenserian stanza is six verse. So 9 lines stanza with 2 linked quatrains in iambic pentameters rounded off and Alexandrian rhyming with the 8 line AB, BC, GC, and C. So, natay example sa Spenserian stanza, The Speed of Time by Muzahidul Reza. So, muna siyang example sa Spenserian stanza. I can remember so clearly the day as a tiny boy in a primary school. A classmate told a short story one day. To have the cable time is not able, made as much love and funny but less full. As some little playful, mindless children, even in college you were unable to grasp the message of that great maxim, now time as able as to be enough say. So sa mainyohang nakuan na nasabtan sa katong ako. I can remember so clearly that day. As a tiny boy in a primary school, a classmate told a short story one day. I can remember so clearly the day. As a tiny boy in a primary school, a classmate told a short story one day. To have a cable time is not able, made as much love and funny but less full. As some little playful, mindless children, even in college were unable to guess the message of that great maxim, now time has ended as to enough say. Diba kay fixed verse man siya, so ang each stanza na contain siya in total 9 lines in iambic hexameter, followed by a single Alexander line in iambic hexameter. Kaya kung ano to, the day, one day, able, unable, kaning maxim, then I shall say na AB, BC, BCC. Ano siya, ano siya, ang iyang series sa iyang kanang rhyming niya ba? So, next is si Jasmine na mong explain guys.
So in year 1450s, it is the invention of the printing press by Johann Gutenberg. So printing press, it is allowed to improve communication throughout Europe and for ideas to spread more quickly. So by the time na na-print invent the printing press, literature kanang spreads quickly kay it's easy naman lang maging literature. No need na katong written by hand. So, as a result of the advanced communication, known for texts from early humanists. So, one of the early humanists daw kung nakasi, Giovanni Boccaccio, one of the famous authors sa Renaissance period. So, which promoted the renewal of traditional Greek culture, values were printed and distributed to the masses. So, Renaissance impact varied across countries and continents permanently. So, and also this period focused self-actualization and one's ability to accept what is going in one's life. So, proceed na tayo. So, we'll be grouping you into 5 groups and will be assigned 5 famous authors. Then you'll identify their historical background and you will choose one of their famous work. And then after is ang famous work is manitaan ninyo kanang what is the content about ang mga work, characteristics, o kanang
Mga theme.
characteristics of work. So, kindly count 1 to 5. 1. Manes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, so all group 1 here, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5. So on group 1 will be assigned Giovanni Boccaccio. Giovanni Boccaccio, Giovanni-Boccaccio. Famous Renaissance author. Group
Diyan
1.
ang group 1.
Isang to group
And
1.
group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5. Group 4. Isa kayo group 1.
Ito sa iyo, group 1.
Diyan ang group 1. Diyan ang group 1. And group 2.
Gimove.
After na kayo,
And group 3, group 4, 5.
First step ko dito, mag-concentrate sa Giovanni. Group 3, move. Yung characteristic and distinct.
Analyze
Content sa ilang famous work.
content.
Group 3.
Group 3 here.
Just. Present sila ka tubangan usa. Usa na ka.
Isa kayo group 1.
Isa group 1.
Group 1, di ari ang group 1.
Group 3, group 4, group 5.
Okay na, ang group 1, si Giovanni Boccaccio. Ang group 2 is Dante Alighieri. Ang group 2. Group 2, Dante Alighieri. Group 3 na. Group 3 kay ang group 2 na. Ang group 3 kay Kuan si Leonardo Pucci. Historical background sa author. Ay, hindi, no. Leonardo Bruni. Isa group 4. William Shakespeare.
Dahil characteristics.
Group 5.
Characteristics.
Historical background author.
Historical background.
DRUNI.
Ma.
Dayon.
Ma.
Content
Ma.
content sa kanyang work.
Saan siya work?
Unsa ko group? Group 5 guy, Leonardo da Vinci. Kana characteristic.
Okay. And we will give you 10 minutes. 10 minutes to
Kahit
search.
Bato mo lang may individual.
dahil sa community
Assessment pa lang. Individual din nila ni Kapuan yung probability ni
historical background author. Famous for nila. Ang content ang sa famous for characteristic.
Oh, sala ka famous work. Ya 10 minutes ra kay
10 minutes lang nilata sa pagbuhat.
10 minutes ra guys.
10 minutes. Historical background is the author. Yung author, historical.
After sa 10 minutes, you
You select
mag-select mo
two
representative.
representative
Nga mo na in front.
to discuss
Discuss
your answers. Your answers.
Jumina day, daghang kay papel day. Jumina.
Silang mga ta.
Ma, putlo lang sana ko di niya. Mubalik na tayo, nag-discussion.